Hey everyone, it's Marilyn. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I hope to inspire you for your next DIY project. My parents asked me to make them an outdoor side table for the backyard. My mother picked out a picture of what she would like to have. So I'm using AG2 Cedartone wood with a walnut stain. I used 6 boards and the size is 1 by 4 by 8 feet. I'm assembling the top, so I cut 6 of them to 24 inches and laid them out, and I'm putting 1-inch strips for support and using 1 1/4 inch trim head screws. I will screw the strips onto the underside of the top. I cut 4 legs at 22 inches in length and 2 panels at 14.5 inches that will attach to the legs using 1 1/4 inch pocket screws. I cut 2 more side panels at 18.5 inches that will have a curve. To make the curve, I used my flexible curve and will use the jigsaw to cut it out. The curved side panels will be secured into the top with 3-inch deck screws. messed up with the initial drill holes for the deck screws because it landed on the gaps. I will plug the first holes with walnut colored wood putty. I will use my palm router with the round over bit throughout the process. If I don't, it will be challenging to use the router when assembled, such as the curved side panels. I will have to only round off the bottom because the leg panels will have to attach on the square edge. Now I'm making the bottom shelf. I will cut 5 panels at 18 3/4 inches long and trim to 3 5/8 inches, and 2 boards at 1 3/4 inch strips. The strips will be the frame for the 5 boards and be attached using 1 1/4 inch trim head screws. Now it's time to sand and use the router on all 4 assembled pieces. I also put a curve on the bottom of the legs. First, I will attach the 2 leg panels onto the top panel using 2-inch trim head screws. Now I will attach the bottom shelf to the bottom of the legs with 2-inch trim head screws. I used my speed square to make sure it's level of 90 degrees and I screwed it in from the top. To do this, it was easier to put the table on its side. The shelf is level and I will cover the trim head screws with walnut colored wood putty and use Spar urethane. Because I had extra footage of the 1x4 by 8 foot boards, I made a tray. My parents were excited at how it turned out and loved the bonus of having a tray. I hope the outdoor side table inspired you for your next DIY project. Thanks for watching.